Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Instagram Reels. The process will be pretty straightforward. First, open your Instagram app. After it opens, look for the Reels you want to download from the Instagram app. I am looking for a reel I want to download from the Instagram app by tapping this video icon. And as you see, here are all the reels. Now, I will download a reel. In the same way you will download all the reels from Instagram. The process is simple. Tap on this arrow icon. And here is the option copy link. Tap on this one. Now the link has been copied. Close the Instagram app. Open your mobile phone browser and write like I am writing. Snap Insta. Tap on this one. And here is the link of website. Tap on this one. Paste the URL of that reel. And tap on the option, download. As you see, here is the same reel. Tap on this option, download the video. As you see, the reel has been downloaded successfully. Now I'm tapping on this icon, open. So as you see, the reel has been downloaded successfully. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We are eager to hear from you.